Hello everyone, and welcome to the top 25 mispronounced words in the American English language. Number 1. Acai. This is often mispronounced as acai. Number 2. Applicable. This is often mispronounced as applicable. Number 3. Cash. This is often mispronounced as cachet. Number 4. Either. This is often mispronounced as either. Number 5. Espresso. This is often mispronounced as espresso. Number 6. February. This is often mispronounced as February. Number 7. Fort. This is often mispronounced as forte. Number 8. Foyer. This is often mispronounced as foyer. Number 9. Gala. This is often mispronounced as gala. Number 10. GIF. This is often mispronounced as GIF. Number 11. Gyro. This is often mispronounced as gyro or gyro. Number 12. Hyperbole. This is often mispronounced as hyperbole. Number 13. Liable. This is often mispronounced as libel. Number 14. Library. This is often mispronounced as library. Number 15. Mauve. This is often mispronounced as mauve. Number 16. Meme. This is often mispronounced as mem. Number 17. Mischievous. This is often mispronounced as mischievous. Number 18. Often. This is often mispronounced as often. Number 19. Niche. This is often mispronounced as niche. Number 20. Nuclear. This is often mispronounced as nuclear. Number 21. Regime. This is often mispronounced as regime. Number 22. Sherbet. This is often mispronounced as sorbet or sorbet. 23. Status. This is often mispronounced as status. Number 24. Sweet. This is often mispronounced as suit. And last but not least, valet. This is often mispronounced as valet. Please like this video if you found this video helpful, and also please subscribe below. Thank you for watching.